All right, guys, doing another trade recap today. Today was where we started a funded account. So as you can see here, we're on the funded account. We're up to 11.44 on the day, and I'll walk you guys through my thought process. So first things first, we start on the 4 hour, and oh fuck, okay, and where was we? Okay, so I got on and I saw price fill this fair value gap, came down to this order block, and also came down into the 4 hour equilibrium level. So I was just bullish on the day based off that. And then we scaled into 1 hour. And again, we saw this fill. We saw the order block fill. And right here is market open, this big white candle right here. And obviously, you see this marked out on the 15 minute. But yeah, I'll walk you guys through why I was bullish. So first of all, we had well, I already said the fair value gap in the order block, but I also thought price would go up and at least take these highs because again, this was the market open candle. So yeah, I thought price would come up and take these highs and probably even fill the gap up here too, which obviously that's what it did. However, actually I'll tell you guys in a bit, but that's the same thing on the 1 hour. You can see my take profit targets. So again, market open down here. Take profit was this high. This 15 minute, I think it was a imbalance. This hourly high. This imbalance. And all the way at the top right here, this was the final take profit, which obviously I didn't get hit. But yeah, I'll show you guys. So we went to the 15 minute, and again, this was the market open candle, this big thing right here. So we saw price come tap into this order block, and I was bullish, and once again, all of our one, two, three, four, all five take profits, or I guess we had six, but five or six take profits got hit. But there really wasn't a space for an entry, in my opinion, because I wasn't just gonna long it based off nothing. So I'll go to the 5 minutes so you guys can see. But this was the market open candle, and yes, it tapped into this 5 minute fair value gap, which I guess I could have entered here, um, based on this breaker structure, but I wasn't confident because if you guys look, it wicked all the way down, wicked all the way up, and ended in the middle. So I wasn't confident on bullish sentiment. So I waited, and the next candle was about 80 points. So not really an issue off that. However, it did form a fair value gap. So I scaled down to the 1 minute. Damn. Scale down to 1 minute. And we see the fair value gap right here. And price did not enter that at all. So I didn't take a trade yet. Because I already told you guys this was not enough confluence for me. That would have been honestly just a gamble. But anyways, if price came into here, rejected off this, and moved higher, I would enter long here. But it didn't. And then I guess price did actually come into, what was that, a 5 minute fair value gap maybe? Uh, it might have been a 5. It might have been a 5 minute. Let me see. So yeah, I think this was the 5 minute fair value gap. It did not come into that either. But it did come into this 1 minute fair value gap, I guess. Right here. I don't know why my settings are not saving, but okay. Yeah, I guess it did come into that, and I could have entered long right here. I'm honestly not sure why I didn't do that. I think because the 15 minute, yeah, the 15 minute was still very bullish. I was waiting. I thought it was going to retrace, but it didn't really do that. Um, and also we had Jolt's job openings at 10 a.m. as you guys can see here. So yeah, I was waiting to see if I could find better entry. Formed another fair value gap, didn't get filled, and then I thought this was going to be a retracement, and the job openings report was the next candle. So once I saw this candle start moving, I just entered a buy position, and it wasn't purely a gamble because when we had the candle opening, right, I did think the news would push price up and take this high, which is pretty obvious liquidity. And I thought it would actually take this high and move shorter and rebalance the 15 minute, but that obviously didn't happen. So I did enter a long. I just scalped a very fast trade today. It was about I don't even think it was a minute, but yeah, I don't even think it was a minute. But anyways, yeah, that's the only thing we did today. We scalped it for 39 points, for a 3.4 risk reward. Honestly, not that bad. But obviously, we could have got much more, but there was just nothing that was gonna give us an entry in my strategy at least. So that's all I did today. And then once I hit that, I got off the charts because it doesn't matter what happens after that. I will look tomorrow morning. But yeah, that was essentially all for today. Just a quick scalp. We did make some profit though, so obviously that's good. But yeah, I hope you guys found this informational, and hope you guys are taking something away from this video.